We have arrived in Hue. All of us did some sleeping on the bus, so I don't feel too bad. I feel like a little afternoon nap wouldn't go amiss, but we also, as the bus came in, drove by where our accommodation is, so we thought we were going to have to get like a taxi or something. Actually, I think it might just be a little short walk, even with our bags. Erin, did you enjoy the bus in the end? Yeah, was it better than you thought? Yeah? Elle, how about you?
It wasn't so bad.
Yeah. So it was Queen's Cafe, we're going over there. Queen's Cafe bus, which I'd read like mixed reviews about online, but to be honest I think I'm just not so fussy as some people. I could just sit on the bus and that was fine. So yeah, now find our accommodation and it seems like a nice city already, so I'm quite excited. Ooh, that's green, let's go. So many dragonflies. Like 1 million all flying by us.
Look at all the dragonflies.
It's wild. We have come out and about in Hue. We are being touted at a lot more here, which is like not our favorite thing, but we get it. We just aren't really in the mood for a river cruise. We've been on a boat all night. We need to stretch our legs.
Oh.
Oh no, we were on a bus all night, not a boat. You're right, Erin. Now we're walking over this bridge. There's a lovely breeze in the middle of it. The Eva, our accommodation, did say it might rain in the afternoon, so that's kind of how it goes. And there are a few clouds about. But we're Scottish, a little rain won't hurt, we're roasting, it'll be fine.
It'll be a hot rain as well.
Maybe a warm rain.
It's a cute fish.
Catfish. Oh yeah, I see it, I see it.
It's so cute.
It's huge. We are in the Hue Imperial City. We just paid to get in. Yeah, there's thunder rumbling in the background. And it's already so beautiful. We've literally just walked through the gate and we're like, oh, how lovely. I really like the sunflowers. It's pretty. Erin is like the fish. Immediately to the fish. We are very much enjoying ourselves. It's been a busy few days in Hanoi. Lots of hustle and bustle. So it's just really nice to get into a little bit of a more peaceful nature bit. But this was the city, right? Yeah, up until kind of, this is not that long ago. The ancient city. Ooh, we're gonna get a history lesson. Ooh. History with Elle.
Imperial. This is from Wikipedia, so I don't know.
Excellent.
The Imperial City is a walled enclosure within the citadel of the city of Hue. Constructed in 1803 under Emperor Long as a new capital, it mostly served a ceremonial function during the French colonial period. After the
Ooh, I saw lightning.
So did I. Sorry. Stop interrupting my list.
It's alright.
You're ruining the picture.
Oh my goodness, try pictures.
Let's go down the teeny tiny archway. Ooh, I like the blue on the windows. That's really pretty.
Supposed to get shelter from the rain, so we can move over.
Ooh, a dragon.
It's worthwhile taking its pictures and videos.
We are now on this little island next to the wee boats. We were walking along and we saw an excellent fork of lightning. We'd come onto this over a little tiny bridge. Those people over there, they followed us. They were like, oh, they know something exciting, let's go with them. We did not. There's a little temple in the middle, but it's not the most exciting little island ever. But it's cute, we've enjoyed it. Now we're gonna head back off. We are now going this way because the people in the orange shirts who were following us, they went this way. It's like a little game. I wonder if we'll ever all catch up to each other. Oh, well these are some sort of stairs. Let's see how I go. We all made it. Can't always be said for stairs on our trips, so gold stars to us. We found a model of the whole place and we think we might be here because we see a little square pond. We're going to try and find our way along here to go right to the back. Don't know if it's possible, but worth a little try.
Starting to rain harder again.
We have found the long road that we were looking at on the little model. Go us! So now we're going to slowly wander up here because we all got wet feet because we came through a gateway and we were like, oh, that side's a bit wet, we'll go through the other door. And then I was like, oh, it's maybe okay. It was not okay. I definitely got really wet, and then they had to follow me through anyway because it was the only way out. So So now we're a bit slippy slidey on our sandals. Where does this go?
It goes up. It goes up.
Oh god. There's puddles.
Oh, we've already been in Puddle.
Splash, splash, splash.
Erin, you absolutely soaked my legs.
Oopsie. That's okay, you didn't need to put that in there. It's really small.
Ooh. Oh, I think we can hear the actual city again now. We must come right to the edge. We are all a bit tired out now. It's been a lot of walking after not like significantly large amounts of sleep in the overnight bus. So we're like, oh, we're tired out, let's go back. And Erin said she needs to eat, so we're trying to find the toilets that we went to already. And then Erin and I came through a bit that we thought Elle was following us. She was not. So she's somewhere, I think behind that wall. And we are here. Many options. Oh, there she is! She found us! Yay! I was saying to Erin, this is like an epic but like horrific place to play hide and seek. You'd be here for a long time. You'd have to set some boundaries. And we're trying to leave, so not the time. 17,000 steps so far. We now need to walk back and get ourselves some dinner and drink, we think. Oh, look, a nighttime rainbow. That's cool. And we just thought it looked really pretty with the sun setting as we walk back over this bridge. We've just spotted the dudes who followed us onto the island, who we then followed around the citadel. They're walking up ahead of us. Let's see if we can catch them. Tonight we're having disco food. We've been wandering around. We're so tired. How many steps now, Erin?
20,409.
20,400 steps. Like, we are knackered. We're like, oh, we'll just grab somewhere quickly for food, but it seems to be a lot more like pub vibe where we've wandered to. We had to get cash first. Anyway, we found somewhere and they gave us this massive menu of things. Google Translate was not so much of our friend, but that's okay. We have picked this because Erin liked the picture, apparently it's beef, and then whatever this is. Part 1, we have achieved what seems to be like a sweet and sour beef. Like it? Yeah? Pork and lemongrass? Elle seems to like it. I've not tried it yet. Erin? That was an excellent face. We stopped off for a drink dessert that's popular here. It's about like cha. I haven't quite figured out how to say it yet. We'll figure that out. And we have, Erin has one, a purple like yam. It did look prettier, but we forgot to take a video. We got too excited to eat it. And then we have like, I don't know, there's some sort of like sticky rice mung bean thing. I'm pretty sure kidney beans, coconut. Who? They look like kidney beans. Well, they look like kidney beans. I need to find one to prove it. What is this if not a kidney bean? I mean, it could be a red mung bean.
So